Hi everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasetia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to add Typeform leads to Apollo CRM automatically. So first let us understand what these software applications are all about. So Typeform is a form building software application and Apollo is a CRM software application. So the idea here is that you are a business owner and you have created a form using Typeform. It may be any type of form like contact form, registration form or any other form. Now you want that whenever the customer fills that particular form, automatically the details of the customer should be created as a contact to your Apollo CRM account, so that you can contact with your customers, or even a customer database can be created, or if you want to contact the customers for the offers and promotions or for any other reason. For that we need to create a connection between Typeform and Apollo CRM. So in order to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So in this particular automation, we are using Typeform to capture the leads. So in place of Typeform, we can also use Google Forms, Jotform, Paperform or any other form building software application. And in place of Apollo, we can also use HubSpot CRM, Zoho CRM, Insightly CRM or any other CRM software application. So let us learn the integration process on my screen now. So to start the integration, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. By clicking on sign up free button, you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Add Typeform Leads to Apollo CRM. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills the Typeform, automatically the customer should be added as a new contact in your Apollo CRM account. So open this trigger window and here in the choose application, let us find Typeform. In the trigger event, we have to select new entry. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Typeform. Now it is asking Pabbly Connect wants access to your Typeform account. So let's click on accept. Authorization successful and now the Typeform account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Typeform account. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your Typeform account. Now here we have to select the form name. So I have already created some forms in my Typeform account, that is contact form and registration form. So we will be using contact form in this particular integration. So in this contact form, I have taken the basic fields for the first name, last name, email address, mobile number and the company name of the customer. If you want to add some more questions or some more fields to this particular form, click on this plus sign and you can add the questions as per your requirement. And when you are done adding the questions, just click on publish and after publishing, click on share and from here you will get the form link. So you can use the form link to get the form filled by your customers. You can share the link with your customers or you can embed it on a website. So we have to fill up this form, but before that we have to select the form name, that is contact form over here in Pabbly Connect. And let's click on save and send test request. Okay, now it is waiting for the response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to fill up the form on the name of a customer. So using the link, I have already opened the form in a new tab over here. And let's fill up the details. Let's give the first name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address as adamsmith234@gmail.com. Let's add the mobile number. Let's add the company name as Pabbly. And let's click on Submit. Thanks for completing this type form. So the form has been filled. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see the responses received and all the details of the form submission are captured over here. Okay. When we scroll down, we can find the first name as Adam over here, last name, email address, phone number, and the company name. So now we want that using these details, automatically a contact should get created into your Apollo CRM account. For that, come to this action window and in the choose application, let us find Apollo CRM. In the action event, we have to select create contact, click on connect, click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key. So you can simply access the API key from here itself by clicking on this HERE button, or else I'll just take you to the Apollo CRM account. From here we have to move to the settings tab. Here you can find the integrations option on the left side. Click on integrations and when we scroll down at last we can find the API. Click on API and here we can find the API key. So I'm just going to copy the API key from here and I'll be pasting the same API key over here. And let's click on save. Okay, now the Apollo account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Apollo account also. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your Apollo account. Now here we have to map the first name, last name, organization name of the customer. So we have already got these details through the submission, that is Typeform submission. So we are going to map all these details now. Okay, let us map them one by one. First name from Typeform and the first name was Adam. Here we have to map the last name, that was Smith. Here we have to map the organization name, that was Pabbly. Here we have to map the email address. Okay. And if you have the title also, you can map it over here. Here you have to select the contact stage as cold, approaching, replied. You can select it as per your requirement. I'm just selecting it as cold. If you have the address details or the website URL details, you can map it over here. As we are not having all these details, I'm just leaving it as blank. And simply click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. It means a new contact is added to your Apollo CRM account. Let's check it. This is, let's move to the main dashboard of Apollo CRM account. Here we have to click on people. And I'll be moving to the saved option. Okay, and here we can find Adam Smith is created as a new contact over here along with the company name and the email address. So in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we have to check this in the real time whether integration is actually working fine or not. For that I'll just go to the contact form of my Typeform account once again. And I'll just refresh it so that we can fill up the form on the name of some other customer. Let's give the customer name as Kuldeep, last name as Jan, email address as jank123@gmail.com. Let's add the mobile number and let's add the company name as Magnet Brains. Okay, and let's click on submit. Thanks for completing this Typeform. So the form has been filled. Now we have to check our Apollo CRM account. We have to just refresh it. And here we can find a new contact on the name of Kuldeep Jain, company name as Magnet Brains, and here we can find the email address. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Typeform and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the customer through the form submission. Using the details of the customer, automatically a new contact is created into our Apollo CRM account. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Typeform and Apollo CRM using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.